I wanted to do a video honoring one of my favorite seasons, and that's boot season. I am not somebody who just finds myself wearing boots in the summertime, and I see like all these outfits on Pinterest and stuff like that. It's always girls wearing boots in any season and any weather, but I find I'm a very practical dresser. Boots don't fit the temperature or the vibes outside even. I will not be putting them on no matter how cute they look. For fall and winter and even a little bit of spring, I'm a boot girl. I've got most of my boots here. We're gonna do some more casual outfits with boots, and I kind of want to talk about what I look for in a boot. If you're looking to buy a new fall or winter boot, what you should consider, yada yada yada. I have a video coming out called "If You Wear This, Buy That," the boot edition. So I'll go through saying if you wear skinny jeans, wear this boot. If you wear wide leg jeans, wear this boot. If you wear skirts, wear this boot. If you like this, wear this boot. You know what I mean? Okay, here's the first look, and it makes me want to talk about my first boot. So something that I never see on Pinterest, because you wouldn't see it period, are an ankle boot. So I recently thrifted these, and there's something that if I saw them online, I would never ever buy them. They were $17, $18 at the thrift store. The tag is still on them, and they have a really nice toe, not too high of a heel, but my favorite thing about them is the heel is rubber, and I feel like this is not something people talk about enough, or maybe like this is a very niche group of people, but I do not like drawing attention to myself unwantedly, if that makes sense. If I'm like wearing a crazy outfit, obviously I'm asking for that attention, but sometimes I do just want to wear a cute outfit for myself and not anyone else. And if my heel of my boots are like plastic or hard and they make a click-clack noise, I literally won't end up wearing them, especially if I'm going someplace like a mall or grocery store. These have a rubber heel, and I don't know how you would find that online. Like, you would have to either thrift them or go in person and try them on, stuff like that. It makes the shoe feel like a tennis shoe, and I've worn them just to like family dinner on Sunday. They just don't have that aggressive feel because they don't make the click-clack noise. They're also 100% leather, so they'll keep my foot warm. And the ankle boot, pants I'm gonna end up wearing them with, you'll never see that they're ankle height because I would never want to show that off. They give the effect of a boot tucked into a jean, tucked under a jean, without this like pain of rolling up your jean and zipping them up. No, they don't give the warmth that like a knee-high boot would, but sometimes you don't need that. So that's my rant about the boots. Let's try them on and we'll get more into the outfits. I don't know, I feel like that's just something people miss in an ankle boot, is we look past them. Do you see what I mean? They're a good height. These pants are borderline too short to be worn with them, but I still think it works. My other pants, like I'm literally missing like 6 items. I can't find my Moto boots, and I can't find my Everlane way high jeans. I truly don't know where these pieces went. I have to turn the heat off. I'm dying. Just because this outfit feels a little bland. Oh, before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to FABRIQUE for sponsoring. I'll be wearing a few of their pieces. Their pieces always end up in my like lookbook videos, so no surprise here. And I want to add some fun to this outfit. I thrifted this little striped scarf, and I feel like that adds a little bit of something. I didn't bring any of my purses. Here's look number 1, how I wear my boots with jeans. And I don't know if I said it, but this jacket is from FABRIQUE. It's a really pretty brown suede with just like the best crop ever. If you guys don't know anything about FABRIQUE, first of all the pieces I talk about will be linked in the description box, but my favorite thing about them is they highlight small designers, and you can see exactly who designed your piece, other pieces that they design, and FABRIQUE just acts as like this platform for them to be able to show off and get their work out there. I think that's so cool. I found so many designers that I really love, and the pieces feel intentional. Every single piece I put on, you can tell somebody really worked hard on this one item and wasn't like pushing to get 100 items out of a collection. Whether it's like the fit, the zipper, where the pockets are placed, how the sleeve, like look at how it poofs out a little bit before the wrist, like everything feels very intentional. So I just adore FABRIQUE. So many of their pieces that I've had in the past for videos become my like closet staples. Beautiful work. So thank you FABRIQUE for sponsoring this video. If you want any of the pieces I talk about, use the links in the description box. Let's keep going. So black and brown is a trend I always talk about, or not always, I guess for the past couple years that I've talked about. That was like a big no-no and is kind of chic now. So I want to style this dark brown with the black. And then for boots, like, do we casualify it with a hunter boot? So these were actually my mom's. She bought them back in like 2016 when the hunter boot was big, and she gave them to me because I stomp in the rain now with my toddler. And I never had them before, but now I like wear them. Okay, it turned into a more night out look, but I think it's still really chic. We kind of sandwiched the browns. We have like a chocolate brown heel on bottom, but I think it looks really chic, really cute. Very simple. Outfit number 2. So if you guys didn't watch my thrift with me video, you definitely should, because I think I'm gonna start doing them a lot more often. I literally just got a camera to be discreetly filming in the thrift store because I'm awkward. But this skirt is from that video. It's this really pretty midi pleated wool skirt, and I thought it would look amazing with boots. Let's try just like a black riding boot first. I originally imagined it with my moto boots, but again, do not know where they went. This poncho is from FABRIQUE, and it almost feels like too cool girl for me, but I just like love this like giant excess of fabric. It comes with this adorable scarf that matches perfectly. I mean, like, that's so stinking cute. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. I'm gonna put like a little beanie on and just really play into like the coziness. Do you know what I mean? Okay, I want some like glasses too. I want to look like an old woman. I think that this is so chic, and like you either get it or you don't. I think I'd pair like a big sweater underneath it so my arms weren't bare if it was like really cold outside. For warmth, for like vibes, I don't think it needs to be there, which is what this video is about. But I love just like everything's so covered. I think that this would look really cute too with just like a pair of jeans. And again, it just like adds so much to the look. But I want to talk about the boots because that's what this video is about. I tried this skirt on and I knew immediately that it would hit perfectly with a pair of knee-high boots. And I think that is such a chic look to have your boots and skirt just like kiss each other at the bottom and top. So I adore how that looks. I think that this is just like a fabric-filled outfit that is so fun. I feel like my mom's gonna steal this. I brought this dress not even to dress it super up. I wanted it as like a mini skirt option because we're gonna be like layering stuff over top, so it doesn't matter. Here's a little fabric sweater, and that immediately just like casualified the look so much. Just as is, this looks adorable. So my take on this one is if you're gonna wear like a mini skirt or even like mini shorts, which I know is a big trend for the winter time, like for the past couple seasons, I suggest you do it with knee-high boots and tights. I used to be so against tights, but they really just make the most sense. I feel like dressing for the weather is the way to look the most chic. Looking cold feels unfashionable to me, the same way as if like you're wearing something, like you're wearing jeans in 102-degree weather. It's like even opt for a linen pant, you know, just something that makes sense with the weather. It looks more chic. So you have to add a tight when it's like cold out. Obviously you can kind of get away with it start of fall, but I really think you should just always add a tight. If it's really cold out, you're gonna have to do like a long jacket. But I want to show 2 ways because I don't know, I think either can work depending what you're looking for. And we did such like an oversized, like losing my entire shape and body in the last outfit that I want to do something a bit more fitted and like flirty in this one. Also, I feel like a really big trend that's come this high of a boot. I feel like the fry boots are that little extra length shorter than like a true knee high. I feel like we're seeing mid-calf boots. So chic. The crop jacket works so well because you can see the full skirt underneath. It's big enough to hide the sweater. I think I got everything in a size small. Yeah, I got everything in the size small from FABRIQUE just for sizing references. Holy guacamole, this is so warm. Who says that? Okay, is that all I need? Okay, here's the next outfit with a short jacket. And then just like total vibe change. I love how this color actually looks with everything going on. I think open, this jacket works really well where the other one had to be zipped up. I think I'm gonna add my little glasses. Just like feels right with a trench. And that is so cute. I'm so against an open jacket normally, but for some reason it works on this. But I wanna show it buttoned up because it has a really cool collar. And you guys know I'm so picky about a collar. So this jacket's also from FABRIQUE. I didn't say that. Again, everything linked down below. But this collar looks so good buttoned like this. I love a high neck button on a trench. I do not like a V-neck on a trench. Like, I'm gonna be cold. Why would I want that? But this jacket goes above and beyond. And this is what I mean about FABRIQUE. Just like these designers care about what they're making. Watch this. I know that's not like a new innovative thing, but jackets don't have that. Like, and the what's this called? Funnel neck is definitely a trend right now. It also just keeps you so much warmer. Belt is also just like, even the buckle is fabric. What's the word? Upholstered. So it looks so good. So you can also cinch it. So here's another way to wear this jacket. And then finally, it's the cutest jacket, like the cutest trench. I adore it. And I'm not an everyday trench girl because sometimes the excess fabric really gets to me. But when I was like living in the city in Chicago and I wasn't driving, getting in and out of the car, I was always wearing a long trench or a long puffer. And I do think a long trench is something everybody needs in their closet because like winter weddings or Thanksgiving or like things like that, those are the only two options in the winter. But like more formal events in the wintertime, a trench just like checks every single box. And this trench checks every single box of a trench for me. So I adore it. Maybe this also goes without saying, but look at how my trench hits my boot height. This is the correct shoe to wear with this trench. If you're wearing a skirt underneath, if you're wearing jeans, it doesn't matter. Here's a dress from FABRIQUE that I got in the summer that I wore all the time. Oh my gosh. I've really slowed down breastfeeding and I can tell since this summer from putting this dress on. It's got pockets. It's from FABRIQUE. Nothing to do with this video, but I literally was just going to style it regardless. Something I always do for you guys in my lookbooks on Index, if you guys didn't know, you could hire me to create like 10 outfits for you on Index with your closet. So I basically do personal styling, which is really cool. Something I always do on there is pair a summer, if it works, a summery dress or skirt with a black leather boot. It's like one of the most stylish things to me. When I imagined this outfit, it was with my moto boot, RIP, because literally, are they? But we're gonna style this dress in a winter way and it's gonna be cute. But like totally casualifying it, I added this cashmere cardigan from Quince. I just like how the buttons, you probably can't see on camera, but this dress buttons all the way up, how the buttons all line up together, I think looks really chic. The jacket we're gonna put with this, like I kind of want to mix patterns maybe. Let's see. If not, like a leather jacket's normally the way to go. What do we think? I don't know. Maybe it's not my best work ever, but I do think it's a fun way to wear like your clothes not weather appropriately, but still weather appropriately in like a warm way, you know what I mean? I think the skirt is just fun. The pattern works the winter still to me. I don't know. I think I like it. And like, it's so funny because sometimes I do not think my outfits like need a purse, but this one, it needed the balance of a purse for some reason. So here's the next outfit. Here is another sweater from FABRIQUE. This has turned into my ballet sweater. It's just why it gives ballet vibes. I love the colors of it. It's mohair. Little cotton tank top that I always wear. Peachy Den trousers, the Lennox trousers that I always wear. And then we've got on the thrifted ankle boots. I still have my tights on. That looks weird. But this is like another like very casual outfit, and especially with the trousers being so long and almost covering the heel, it feels just as casual. I really think that these are going to be my like winter shoe of choice because they can like sludge through the snow because they're leather and rubber. They're basically a winter boot, just a lot more chic. And I can't believe that this was how I found them. I think that this jacket also will look so cute with it. I love the bit of pattern mixing. Look how that just like makes the outfit look so much more dressed up. Oh my god, I adore this jacket. Is this not the most laney jacket you've ever seen? From FABRIQUE. It's plaid. It's got that like swinger coat I can't get enough of. It comes with a little like tie around the waist strap, but I couldn't be bothered with it. I adore it like a little teepee. So I really like it with the wide pants. And then I think this burgundy bag will just look really cute with it. This is like, if you go to any holiday party in this, you look just dressed up enough, so chic. If you want to be casual or comfy or whatever. Oh my god, I adore it. But then also like, switch these boots out for tennis shoes. And it's so like casual. Can I do like my fry boots with this or would that look bad? Let's try it. But this is, I'm obsessed with this, girl. I don't know, like it's fine, but the colors are wrong. I will say about these fry boots, I like love them so much. I got them for $45 on Facebook Marketplace like 3 years ago, so I just got really lucky. Obviously, these ones are beat to crap though, and they're not like the banana color that I guess everybody wants. I don't know, I liked this color better, but whatever. There's no traction on the bottom. I took like 1 year photos with my daughter. It was in the fall. We were like climbing up this hill and it was a little bit slick with like wetness and then leaves, and I almost ate S-H-I-T, and I was holding her. And so now like I'm scared to wear these Fry boots. I either need to like take them to a cobbler and get traction on the bottom, but does anybody else have that issue? And like, why would a work boot have no traction? Is it like a cowboy thing? Because cowboy boots have traction. I don't know. Just be wary. These are not winter boots. These are like spring and summer boots, and then I just end up not wearing them because I'm not a spring and summer boot girly. Beautiful though, and I'll never get rid of them. What is up with that? Like, give me some traction. I'm sweating, and it's literally so cold in here. So chic, so practical. These raspberry pants are from Cotton, and I adore them. I'm like losing daylight, which is crazy. These are the little ankle boots that you just can't tell. Like, makes things look so chic, and I want to pair it with that plaid jacket again because I wanted to like wear it in a more casual way, even with the boots. This jacket literally makes everything look so cool, especially with these little boots. I feel like this is such like a something you would see as like those posts where it's like what New Yorkers are wearing. Am I giving myself way too much credit? But I don't know, it feels really chic to me. Or it feels like Copenhagen, this jacket and the little boots. I don't know, if you are somebody who can't wear a heeled boot, like I wish that these were available for purchase, but I truly have. They've got to be like old. Like, do you hear that? They're just not annoying. Wait, add a scarf and a beanie. Let's make it more casual. You know what I mean? I don't like the scarf as much because like you're covering the perfect collar on this coat that I like spend so long looking for, but sometimes you need a scarf regardless. And it just like works. I love a heather gray also. Even just the beanie casualifies it in a very like cutesy way. Okay, I think I have one more look I want to do for you guys because I still got the tights on, so like let's make use out of them. Here's another dress you guys have definitely seen on my channel from Whatnot, and it's like one of my perfect dresses for like holiday season. I love the length of it. I love the drop waist. The little pocket makes it a bit more casual. I know I haven't styled the hunter boots. I don't know, maybe I'm just like a spring rain boot girl. That doesn't look bad, you know what I mean? And I do adore that a hunter boot, you get to slide it on like that and there's no zipping. It makes me reach for them more. You guys, I am incredibly lazy when I get dressed. So just know that. I think they're cute with no tights, so it's kind of hard to wear them in the cooler months. So let's just do the riding boot. This jacket's reversible, so you can do no plaids and then you can have the scarf plaid or like mix match, but I like to match the scarf with the plaid. I wanted to see this jacket with a shorter bottom, and I think it looks really cute having your legs peek under, especially with like the riding boot. This feels very equestrian, this jacket, but the scarf is kind of what makes it feel more modern to me. I don't know, maybe with this the rain boots would work, but then like no tights, and I need tights. I know you can't really see the dress, but you saw what it looked like on without it. This jacket's just really cool. I like, oh my gosh, especially like a side or back. Maybe no glasses this time. And again, just like pairing a small clutch with this kind of bag, like the juxtaposition of the giant jacket with this little bag is adorable to me. I really like how this looks. Again, I could totally see myself wearing this for like outside activities because I'd want to wear the jacket, but also if I want to show like my dress underneath, holiday parties, stuff like that. This is really cute. Also, these boots, they're from Abercrombie and Fitch. Weirdly enough, I got them like 2 Christmases ago. My mom got me them for Christmas, and I adore everything about them, how they look. I like the top, that it's not like actual riding boot where it's, you know, rounded. I like that it's a flat top. No traction. Like, I would literally slip and fall and eat poop in these, and the heels. Too loud. Yeah, that's my gripe about them. Maybe if I thrift a pair, I would switch them out, but no reason to right now. I feel like that's why I don't wear them though, which is kind of upsetting. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kind of a random video, but I don't know, I just wanted to style some boots because I feel like I struggle with them a lot. So stay tuned. If you don't know which boots to buy, I will be talking about that in an upcoming video. Probably the next one. I might sit down and film it right now. And remember to check out FABRIQUE. You can use all the links in the description box. Again, just like such a cool company, and so cool to really see these small designer pieces and how much each piece means to them. It's apparent right as you open the package. So that's it for this video. I love you guys absolutely most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.